Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, should I show you the DB size?
Yes, yes. Mm,
Yeah, this is a DB we are talking about. Just a moment, let me connect to the VPN. Oh, it's got disconnected. Let me reconnect it. This is a DB we're talking about.
okay.
We need to take the backup and refresh the state.
If you right click on it,
You want the view database?
wait, just give me a second.
Sure.
You can use a command
Okay.
pg underscore dump.
You want me to run this in the DB server?
pg underscore dump and db name. You need to put db name.
Okay.
Now run it. What is the error? Permission. You need a permission to take the backup.
Give me a minute. Want to we have the permission. Let me check once. Okay. Should I run again?
Mm-hmm.
It has the super user and all the privileges.
Mm-hmm. Again, show me that error. No, log. You show me. Na, in here, I am not able to know anything. Show me log. Permission denied for relation ID type. You need to do this. Permission denied for relation ID.
How can we resolve it since we have a super user, right?
No, for particular relation, you need to see relation ID is where. Tell me this relation ID type.
So where should that relation ID get near?
In this, it may be somewhere now. I don't know. I need to study your whole database then. Don't check in roles. We need for that particular relation ID. On relation ID, we need to do permission. You need to give permission.
Okay. Uh, I don't know about it actually. I need to
Wait,
talk with developer.
2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I'm eating something. Give me 2 minutes.
Sure, sure.
So I need to check all the tables. Maybe this is primary key or maybe this is some key in your database. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I need to check your whole database. So it may take 1 or more than 2 hours. Will that be okay? This may be a small step, a backup maybe, but to check your relation ID, I need to check your database, whole database.
Okay. Mm, Then we can do one thing. I'll check with the dev guys tomorrow when this we can do it. Like they said that they do it, but tomorrow. But again, I will check with them. If let's say it's an urgent, if they need it tomorrow, we'll connect and we'll see it. Or
Okay.
else, if it is take time, we can take tomorrow night. I will connect same time. We can able to check it, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Oh, searching. Thanks.
Yeah.